laughing because he's like, we're going to do it this time.
Maybe he should be on the side.
Get the anguish in, don't forget to fully capture the cheerful nature of World Dominator #1. And now we see on our left World Dominator #4 pointing to the Earth. Oh, well, that's not him. Hold on, our cameraman's sort of... And this is the Earth, the subject of the takeover. It's, you know, it's the kind of place that people wouldn't like to stay if they had to, but end up doing it anyway. This is actually just a recreation of the real Earth. Obviously, that's not possible otherwise. And, oh, we've got a little change in the... Now, as you can see, this is Don Shmuel. That's his yarmulke he's wearing, and right now he's praying that everything... Now, this is the Crusader, who we referred to earlier as #4, pointing to the... Oh, well, the globe has changed. Oh, hold on, let's just sort of get things right here. The southern tip of China is going to be the new takeover, and that's really what's... at stake here. Oh, those are just, and now we see the meeting in its conclusion. This has been a really nice, trip. I hope you enjoyed. Join us next week when we discuss, gorilla eyes and monkey faces. Next Sunday.